This video demonstrates how DataLink Viewer can generate desktop shortcuts for easy launching of reports. I'll run this Lab 3 report, and it has 5 parameters. 2 of them are kind of interesting. The group by parameter allows us to dynamically change how the report is grouped. We can group it either by employee, by customer, or by product type. And the metric parameter allows us to change the key metric in the report, whether it's revenue or profit. I'm going to keep all the parameter values here as the saved values and just click OK. So we can see that this report is currently focusing on revenue and is grouped by employee. But if I click on employee, I can change it to group on customer, or I can change it to group on product type. And that's one of the nifty features that DataLink Viewer provides. Similarly, this parameter that currently has a value of revenue, if I click on it, it flips to profit because it has only 2 possible values. A single click flips it to the other value. There's a detailed video on this functionality that I'll provide a link to in the description below. So we're going to generate a desktop shortcut for this report. I'll go back to the Select Report grid, right-click this report, and select Command Line / Shortcut. That generates the full command line that allows for example, a batch file to generate this report. So I could copy to Notepad and create a batch file, but we'll just create a shortcut. So I'll click OK and close. And here is the desktop shortcut. If I double click it, the report runs and displays. If you remember, I can change parameter values. I can flip between revenue and profit and so on. But I'm going to turn off the group tree visibility and I'm going to resize this window. Now if I close this and start the desktop shortcut again, the window is smaller and the group tree is not there. Of course, the user can refresh the report by hitting function key 5 or hitting the refresh button here in the toolbar, and can decide that they want to change the group by and run again and change it to some other value and run the report. What if I want that prompt for that group by parameter to always occur? That's easy to do. I'm going to close DataLink Viewer and go to the properties of this desktop shortcut. And one of the properties is the target. And it has the full command line that the desktop uses to launch the report. So I can take this part of the command line that says parm group by is employee, and I can just remove it. So if I apply, save, if I now run this desktop shortcut, I should be prompted for the group by parameter, and I can set it to, let's say, product type, click OK, and I get the report.